A keto recipe for a busy person. There are many different types of diets out there. One that is becoming popular amongst busy people is the keto diet. This diet involves eating lots of healthy fats. You also eat some protein and a small amount of carbohydrates. This puts your body in a state of ketosis, burning stored fat instead of carbs for energy. Research has shown that this type of low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet is great for weight loss. Here's a keto recipe you can try if you are a busy person. Beef and wine casserole. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 kilogram of braising steak, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, 35 grams of almond flour, 120 milliliters of beef stock or broth, 500 milliliters of red wine, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 500 grams of mushrooms, and 1 large onion. Method: season flour with salt and pepper. Cut beef into chunks and coat in seasoned flour. Brown beef on all sides in a pan. Put in a slow cooker or casserole dish. In the original pan, add stock or broth, wine and tomato puree. When boiling, pour over the beef. Add chopped onion and sliced mushrooms and stir. Cook on 4 hours on a low heat. Enjoy! That wraps things up for today. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.